So after namin pinasyal ang sakura or cherry blossom ay kami ay uuwi na, pero bago kami uuwi ay punta kami ng restaurant Nishiki. Yeah, it's open. Huh? Ang ganda dito sa restaurant na to dahil siya ay mura at large portion ang binibigay talaga. Sulit, busog na busog ka sa pagkain na bibigay nila.
For me, this that's not bento. That's miso.
Ano, miso soup.
Mom, what do you want?
Good Friday ngayon, so family bonding kaming anak dito sa Japanese restaurant. What? How about you? Wait.
What? What? They have beer.
Oh, you have more.
Wow. Very hot. How are you supposed to eat that?
Instant. Thank you very much.
Wow. You can have this.
Oh, sorry. Now I can cook my roll.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna try it with this.
What?
Wow.
That.
Which one? Yeah, especially this.
But now I want to smell.
See, now I'm cooking.
They're gonna get mad at me. They're gonna ban me from here, Dad. But they're not even funny, Dad.
Okay na.
Yo, I can't.
You want
Good?
some?
Huh?
No, I'm good. What do you want here?
I don't like hot food.
The food of spice. Here's the parasite. Parasite here. Like. You want some? Good. You want?
Let me go.
Sagad. So after dinner ay pumunta kami ng dollar store at sa superstore para bumili sa aming gagamitin sa aming garden. Bumili kami ng sako-sakong soil. So please thank for watching. Please subscribe, likes and comment below. Thank you. God bless.